Assalamualaikum friends, I am your host Umar Farouk and you are watching High Web YouTube channel. In this video I will gonna show you how you can install VLC Media Player. In the previous video I have tell you that how you can download the VLC Media Player. So before starting the video I would like to say that please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. It is the button of subscribe and also press the bell icon. Now I move to the this video and tell you that before moving to this video I tell you that if you have not watched my previous video how to download the correct version of VLC Media Player, and then go first of all watch my previous video. You can also watch my video by going to my channel High Web and go to the videos and then watch my video. So before let's go and now start the video. First of all you have to go to the control panel and uninstall VLC Media Player if you have already installed, and if you have not installed before, then you also follow my steps. Now I have installed, so first of all I uninstall my VLC Media Player. I go to the control panel and uninstall my VLC Media Player. Double click on it and then next, uninstall. It will be uninstalled. As you can see, VLC Media Player, it is the old version, so I uninstall it now, and I had installed the latest version, so I would like to use the latest version. So after clicking on the finish button, VLC Media Player will be successfully uninstalled. Now I go to my file that I have downloaded. This is the file that I have downloaded. Now I double click on it. After double clicking, he says that do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? Click on yes. After clicking on yes, it is asking for language. Now select your language. I would like English, so I click on next. After that click on the next. After clicking on the next and again next, and here it is saying that where would you like to install. You can also manually search where you want to save the files of the VLC Media Player. Now I click on the close button. Now click on the install button. After clicking on the install button, it will be installing. As you can see, it is installing. As you can see, it has installed successfully. Now you click on the unmark this and click on the finish button. After clicking on the finish button, VLC Media Player has been successfully installed. Now it has when you open any of the video, it will be not automatically open with VLC Media Player. You have to right click on any of the video and or click on open with and choose default program, and here tick mark this option. Always use the selected program to open this kind of file. After selecting on click on this and click on OK. After clicking on OK, this video will be opened by VLC Media Player. Okay, and now VLC Media Player is installed successfully in your computer. And be careful that when he says that update VLC Media Player, then you can if you agree on it, then you can update your VLC Media Player. And if you don't know how you can update your VLC Media Player, then also tell me. I will create a next video on it and tell you how you can update a VLC Media Player. And if you are unable to download or install any of browser any of the other software, then you can comment below. I will tell you how you can download and uninstall download and install the software. I had already created a video that how you can install any of the software, and if you want to uninstall any of the software, you can watch my previous video for uninstalling any type of the software. Now please ignore the background noise that coming in the video, and goodbye.